Hello everyone. So you are welcome to today's class. In today's class, we are going to be looking at substitution and logarithm. So as we know, logarithm is of two parts. We have the common logarithm and we have the natural logarithm. So we have the one with our four-figure table and we have the one without four-figure table. So today we are going to be looking at the one without four-figure table, which is substitution and logarithm. And if I say substitution, what do I mean by substitution? Substitution simply means to replace a value for another value. So that's the meaning of substitution. So substitution in logarithm, we don't have much to say here than to go straight to the example. And we have this example 1. So example. So question 1 says, given that log 2 base 10 equals 0.3010 and log 3 base 10 equals to 0.4771. So the question now says solve without using table, solve without using tables. The value of, or let me say the values of, remember the one, log 6 base 10. So let me start with this example, remember the one. And the question says, given that log 2 base 10 equals 0.3010, and log 3 base 10 equals 0.4771. So the question now is solve without using tables. So table in this sense can be four-figure tables and it can be calculator. So solve without using tables. So the values of log 6 base 10. So to solve this type of question, what we are going to do is to express 6 in terms of 2 and 3. So we are going to express 6 in terms of 2 and 3. And to express 6 in terms of 2 and 3, it will give us, so solution now, or we have go 1. So the question is log 6 base 10. So we are given log 2 base 10 and we are given log 3 base 10. So the first thing to do is to express 6 as a factor of 2 and 3. And to do that, we have log 6 is the same thing as 2 multiplied by 3, so base 10. So we have one law of indices that says log 2 times 3 base 10. We call it addition law or multiplication law of logarithm. So it will give us log 2 base 10. So we open the bracket with log base 10. So it will be log 2 base 10. Multiplication will change to plus. So plus log 3 base 10. So now come to make use of substitution now. In place of log 2 base 10, we are going to put the value given. We are going to put the value given. And in place of log 3 base 10, we are going to put the value given. So which is equals to log 2 base 10 is given as 0.3010. So in place of log 2 base 10, you have 0.3010. Then plus, in place of log 3 base 10, we have 0.4771. So the next thing to do is to add the two values together. So 1 plus 0, that's 1. 7 plus 1, 8. 7 plus 0, 7. 4 plus 3, 7. Point. 0 plus 0 is 0. So the value of log 6 base 10 in terms of log 2 base 10 and log 3 base 10 is given as 0.7781. So this is Roman number 1 under question 1. Then Roman number 2 under question 1 says find the value of log 5 base 10. So log 5 base 10. Log 5 base 10. So to express this as a product of what? Or as a factor of 2 and 3, so it can only be 2 at times. It depends on what we are given here. But the question says express or find the value of log 5 base 10. So if you look at this question, we don't have anything to do with log 3 base 10 here. So we are going to introduce this. So it's going to be log, to have 5, it will be 10 all over what? All over 2. So base 10. So we have log 5 base 10. So log 5 base 10 has transformed to what? Log 10 over 2 base 10. So 10 over 2 is the same thing as 5. Because we don't have log 5 base 10, we are not given log 5 base 10, but we must work towards what we are given there. So we have log 10 log 10 over 2 base 10. So we have another law of indices which says log 10 over 2 base 10, we change to what? We call it division law of logarithm. So we are going to have it as log 10 base 10, that is the first 10 base 10. Division we change to subtraction, so minus log 2 base 10. So we now have log 10 base 10 minus log 2 base 10. And what is log 10 base 10? So this is another law of indices that says the log of the number that carries the same base, so the log of that number will be 1. So log 10 base 10 is 1. So we have log 10 base 10 to be 1 minus log 2 base 10 is given as 0.3010. So we have 0.3010. So let's subtract 0.3010 from 1. So we have 1.0000, then 0.3010, then you so we have, then 0 here, that's 0 minus 0 is 0. So we have 10, 9, and 9, then 0. So 1 minus 1 is 0, then 9 minus 0, 9, 9 minus 3 is 6, then 0.0. So the answer is 0.6900. So that's the answer to the second question. That is under Roman to go under question 1. So the answer is 6900. Then question 3, Roman figure 3 under question 1. And the question says find the value of log what? Log 180 base 10. So log 180 base 10 can be expressed as a product of two numbers there, which is log 18 multiplied by log 10 base 10. Log 18 multiplied by 10 base 10. So which is 18 multiplied by 10 gives us 180. Then log 180 base 10 is the same thing as log 18 times 10 is 10. So the next thing to do is to apply the multiplication law of logarithm that says log 18 base 10, multiplication we change to addition, then plus log what? 10 base 10. So what is log 18 base 10? We can express 18 as a product of 2 and 3. So it's now going to be log 2 in 18, that's 2 in 18, 9. So we are left with 9, that's 3 multiplied by 3. It means 2 times 3 is 6 times 3 is 18. So we have, as a product of 2 and 3, we have log 18 to be equal to log 2 times 3 times 3. Then base 10 plus log 10 base 10. So let's bring this out of the bracket by applying the multiplication law of logarithm. So we have log 2 base 10, multiplication we change to addition, then plus log 3 base 10 plus log 3 base 10 plus log 10 base 10. So what's the next thing to do is to replace log 2 base 10 and log 3 base 10 by the values given. So we now have log 2 base 10, that's 0.3010 plus log 3 base 10, that's 0.4771 plus log 3 base 10 is 0.4771 plus log 10 base 10, 1. So the next is to replace, after the replacement, we have 0.3010 plus, that is for log 2 base 10, then we have 0.3010. Log 3 base 10, we have 0.4771. Then plus log 3 base 10, 0.4771. Then log 10 base 10, we have 1. So adding the three together, this is 0.3010, 0.4771. So 0.3010, 0.4771, 0.47. So 1 plus 0 plus 1 plus 1, that's 2. 0 plus 1 plus 7 plus 7, that's 15, 5 carry 1. Then 1 plus 0 plus 7 plus 7, that's 15, 5 carry 1. 1 plus 3, 4 plus 4, that's 8. 8 plus 4, 12, 2 carry 1. Then 1 plus 0 plus 0, so we have 1 point. So adding the 3 together, we have 1.2552, then plus 1. So plus 1, we have 2.2552. So this is solution to question 2, Roman log 3 under question 1, which is log 180 base 10. So in terms of 2 and 3, log 2 base 10 and log 3 base 10, we have 2.2552. So this is the solution to question 1. Then we move to question number 2. Question 2 says if log 2 base 10 is 0.3010 and log 3 base 10 is 0.4771, calculate without using tables the value of log 0.72 base 10. So this is YX 1996. So YX 1996 question 4A. So question 4A, that's YX 1996 question 4A. So calculate without using tables. I've told you, using tables means it's either it is 4-figure tables or calculator. So the value of what? Log 0.72 base 10. So solution. So to solve for this, we have log 0.72 base 10, which is equals to. So the first thing to do is to express 0.72 as a fraction. So to express this as a fraction is going to be log 72 all over what? So the last digit here is 100. So it's 100. So it's going to be 72 over 100 base 10. So here we are going to apply division law of logarithm. So which is going to be log 72 base 10. Division will change to minus. That is log 100 base 10. So the next thing to do is to simplify or express 72 as a product of 2 and 3. And to do that, since we cannot simply guess what we are going to have, we can just use the SPM format, that's 72, to express the number as a product of its prime. So 2 in 72, that's 36. 2 in 36, that is 18. 2 in 18, 9. 3 in 9, 3. 3 in 3, 1. So which means log 72 base 10 will give us log 2 times. Okay, let me use it. So we have log 72 base 10. 72 is the same thing as 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. Then that is that minus log 100 and base 10. Express 100 as a product of 10. So it's going to be 10 times 10 base 10. So which is the same thing as log 2 times 2 times 2 is the same thing as 2 raised to power 3 multiplied by 3 times 3 is 3 raised to power 2. Then minus log 10 times 10 is the same thing as 10 raised to power 2 base 10. So the next thing to do is to use multiplication law of logarithm. So we have log 2 raised to power 3 base 10. So we have base 10 here, base 10 here. Then multiplication change to addition, so plus log 3 raised to power 2 base 10. Then minus log 10 raised to power 2 base 10. So the next thing to do is to simplify. We are going to apply another law of logarithm. That is, we call it power law of logarithm. So power law of logarithm. So what you are going to do here is to bring down this power to the front of the log. That is, the power here will multiply the log. So it's now going to be equals to 3 multiplied by, that is 3 log 2 base 10 plus 2 we multiply the log here, the second log, that is 2 log 3 base 10 minus 2 we multiply the log here, so we have 2 log 10 base 10. So in this case now, we can now substitute, we replace log 2 base 10 and log 3 base 10 with the values given. So we have 3 multiplied by, what is log 2 base 10? Log 2 base 10 is 0.3010, close the bracket, plus 2 open bracket. Log 3 base 10 is 0.4771, then minus 2, log 10 base 10, 1. So we have this. So we now multiply. 3 multiplied by 0, that was 3, 9.0. So that is 0.9030. Then plus 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 7, 14, 4 carry 1. 2 times 7, 14 plus 1, 15, 5 carry 1. 2 times 4, 8 plus 1 that will carry 9. Point 2 times 0 is 0. Then minus 2. That is 2 times 1, 2. So the next thing to do is to add these two numbers together. Then we have 0.9030 plus 0.9542. So adding the two together, we have 275, 18, 8 carry 1, then 1. That is 1.8572 minus 2. So this minus 2, we are going to have 2.0000, then 1.8572, then minus, so we have 10 here, 9, then 1. So it's going to be 8, 2, 4, 1.0. So the answer is going to carry minus because the one with minus is bigger than the one with plus. So the answer is going to be minus 0.1428, which means log 0.72 base 10 in terms of log 2 base 10 and log 3 base 10 is minus 0.1428. So this is the end of question number 2. If log 3 base 10 equals P, and log 3 base and log 2 base 10 equals Q. Then evaluate log square root of 1 over 2 base 10 in terms of P and Q. So look at question 3. Question 3 says, if log 3 base 10 equals P and log 2 base 10 equals Q, evaluate log 1 over 2 in terms of log square root of 1 over 2 base 10 in terms of what? P and Q. So to solve this, the first thing to do, so bring out the question. The question is log square root of 1 over 2 base 10 equals to. So the first thing to do is to bring 1 over 2 out of the square root. So it's going to be log base 10 into 1 over 2 raised to power of raised to the power of half. So half is the same thing as square root. Is the same thing as square root. So which is the same thing as, so using power law, that is the power, that is 1 over 2, we multiply the log now. So it's now going to be 1 over 2 log 1 over 2 base 10. So the next thing to do is to make use of division law of logarithm. So which is going to be half, so open bracket, log 1 base 10 minus log 2 base 10. So close the bracket, equals to 1 over 2. So equals to 1 over 2. So another law of logarithm is log 1 base anything is what? Is 0. So log 1 base anything is 0. So we have a 0 here. So we have a 0 for log 1 base 10 minus log 2 base 10 is given as what? Is given as q. So which is equals to 0 minus q. So we have 1 over 2 into bracket minus q. So the final answer is now minus q all over 2. So this is the final answer to question number 3.